In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Udemy course with your friends. Whether you've stumbled upon a course that's been a game changer for you, or you found something that perfectly suits a friend's interest, knowing how to share it effectively can make all the difference. Let's dive into this simple process together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Udemy dashboard. This is your main hub on the Udemy website, where all your active courses and learning activities are organized. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the My Learning section. This area showcases all the courses you've enrolled in, whether you're currently taking them, planning to start soon, or just browsing through. Now, with the My Learning page open, you'll need to identify the specific course you want to share. Once you've found it, there will be a Share button conveniently located next to or near the course title. Clicking this button is your gateway to sending this valuable educational resource to a friend. After clicking the Share button, a link will be generated uniquely for the course you're interested in. This link acts as a direct pathway for your friend to access the course details and consider enrolling. Here's a tip. Copying and sending this link is an easy task, but take a moment to personalize your message when you send it. Adding a little context or sharing your personal experience with the course can make your recommendation more compelling. Simply copy the link, open your preferred method of communication, whether it be email, a messaging app, or social media, and paste the link into your message. Write a friendly note such as, "Hey, I found this course and thought you might find it interesting. It's been really helpful for me and I think you'll enjoy it too." Such a personal touch not only shows you've thought of the person, but also increases the likelihood they'll check out the course. There you have it, a straightforward guide to sharing a Udemy course with anyone you think could benefit from it. Remember, learning is often more enriching and motivating when shared, so don't hesitate to spread the knowledge. I hope you find these steps easy to follow and apply. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy learning and happy sharing.